Ndigbo in the diaspora have continued to demand that the Igbo extraction should be given chance in the presidency come 2023 general elections. This was discovered when a leader of an Igbo association in the United Kingdom, Dr. Judes, spoke to the ABS during an exclusive interview. Onyenya Gubeze has details.
Dr. Eze stated that leadership should not be based on ethnicity but should be allotted to individuals with a good track record, saying that the Igbos deserve a chance at national leadership. He said that despite the Igbos' democratic republican nature, they are united people and support growth and progress. Dr. Eze said that despite the fact that Nigerians in the diaspora are not allowed to vote in elections, the Igbos in the diaspora are willing to demonstrate active support in all aspects of the political process.
Diaspora voting has not been approved in Nigeria electoral laws. And so while we are waiting for that to happen, we will continue to participate actively in every other process, barring that, to make sure that the Igbos achieve their goal this time around. And what do I mean by that? I know the roles that the diaspora played in state elections, even particularly the last one that was held in Anambra State.
On his part, Mr. Charles Okando, another Igbo group leader in United Kingdom, noted that though the Igbos in the diaspora have not been publicly addressed by any presidential aspirants from the Igbo ethnic group, they would mobilize their support for anyone proven capable. Mr. Okando, who said that Igbos do not lack quality human resources and are capable of producing competent presidential candidates at any time, stated that the type of president needed embodies what the Igbo man stands for, including resourcefulness, perseverance, resilience, relentlessness, zeal, intelligence, and a willingness to put Nigeria first without regard to religious or ethnic backgrounds.
And in terms of galvanizing support, we cannot act based on those what we read in the pages of newspapers. So we need our brothers and sisters to come forward, let us know how we can come in and support. We are ready to support, but we can't give what we've not been asked to give. So bring us your manifesto, tell us what you have to offer. Then of course it is our